In this video, we are going to reuse an automotive structural model to create a new updated design. We're going to remove and recreate areas of the existing model to create a new model without having to create it from scratch. Select File, then Open, and select the model to open. First, we are going to enlarge these 4 holes. From the ribbon menu, select the dimension-driven edit icon. Add a dimension to one of the holes. Now when you mouse over that dimension, you will see that it highlights to change the size of the hole. If you hold down the Shift key, as you mouse over the same dimension, you will see that all 4 holes highlight because they are a pattern. Select the dimension and change the size to 8.25 in the conversation bar. Now let's remove this indentation in the model. Switch to a front view and zoom in. Select the Remove Feature icon. Mouse over the area shown in the video. Hold down the left mouse button and drag across until all the faces to the indentation are highlighted. With the right mouse button, select OK. Next, let's remove this highlighted tab area. Select the solid tab at the top of the ribbon menu. Select the Unstitch icon. When a dialog window opens, change the options to match the ones you see in the video. Mouse over the area shown in the video, hold down the left mouse button, and drag across until all the faces shown in the video are highlighted. With the right mouse button, select OK when done. Now we're going to clean up this edge to create a smoother shape. Select the Curve tab. Select the Spline icon and then NURBS Blend Curve. Select the edges shown to blend a curve. Switch to a front view. With your right mouse button, select Solid, then Trim with Curves. When a dialog window opens, you use the same options shown in the video. Select the curve just created, then OK with your right mouse button. Now select the solid to trim. Select the arrow indicating which part of the solid you want to keep. Now let's rebuild that area with new geometry. Using the same NURBS Blend Curve function used earlier, create new curves using the edges shown in the video. Once the curves are created, select the Solid tab. Select the Complex icon and then Law. A dialog window will open. Use the same settings and select OK. Select the curves and edges shown. After you select the 4th edge or curve, select OK with the right mouse button. Notice, the top thin surface, you only have to select 2 curves shown and select OK. Then finish by creating the 2 inside surfaces using the same curves and edges. When you're done creating the surfaces needed to finish that area, select the Stitch icon from the ribbon menu. In the dialog window that opens, uncheck the second option as shown. This will ensure that the solid becomes gray when you stitch it back together. Select OK. Select the gray solid, then window in the newly created surfaces. With the right mouse button, select OK. A message will appear coming up saying you've stitched the model into a closed solid. Select OK. The last part to modify is the highlighted area shown here. Zoom in and select the face shown. Using the right mouse button, select the C-plane option. Then switch to a front view. With the right mouse button, select Curve, then Line Horizontal. Create a line in a similar location that you see on the video. With the right mouse button, select Solid, then trim to curves. Select the break option in the dialog window that opens. Select the line, and with the right mouse button select OK. Next, select the solid. The solid will be broken into two solids. To ensure that you're selecting just the solid you see on the screen, hold down the Shift key and then select the blue solid. With the right mouse button select Move Scale. Select the location for the Dyna handle, and drag the blue arrow. Select the blue arrow and enter a value of 16.125. Select OK with the right mouse button. You can delete the line using the right mouse button. Select Dimension-Driven Edit and select the two edges shown in the video and place the dimension. Mouse over the middle of the dimension created and select it. In the conversation bar, select the Add button. Select the faces shown in the video and select OK. Enter the value of 55.25 in the conversation bar and select OK. You can delete the dimension using the right mouse button. Select the faces shown in the video and then select Move Scale with the right mouse button. The Dyna handle will appear. If the Dyna handle is not in the correct location, select the blue Dyna handle using the right mouse button and then select the line, and then align to vector. After that, select the edge shown. Now you can drag the handle. Select the handle and enter the value of 16.75. When done, select OK with the right mouse button. Now select the loft icon. When a dialog window opens, select the options shown in the video, then select OK. Now select the two faces shown in the video. With the right mouse button, select OK. Now let's turn these three solids back into one. Select the Unite icon in the ribbon menu. Select the gray solid, then select the blue solids. With the right mouse button, select OK. Now you have one solid. Now let's change the location of the mounting holes and tabs. Select the Dimension-Driven Edit icon. Select the edge at the end of the face and select the edge of the first hole. Place your dimension. In the conversation bar, select the Add button to select the additional faces. Now you can use a combination of face selection and window selection to select the geometry to move. With the right mouse button, select OK when done. Enter the value of 15.25 and then select OK with the right mouse button. An alternate method to do this change is to move the faces without a dimension. Select the first hole shown, then with the right mouse button select the Move Scale function. Select the Add button in the conversation bar, select the additional faces shown. When done, select OK. A Dyna handle will appear when done. In this case, we're going to move the red arrow. Again, the arrow is not lined up with the direction that we want to move. You can simply select the red arrow, the right mouse button, say Align, then align to vector. Select the vector or edge shown. Now drag the red handle. Select the handle and then enter the value of 31.25. Select OK when done with the right mouse button. This example shows how you can take an existing part and quickly and easily modify it to create a new part.